So hello, it's already afternoon in Amed. Today will be a little bit different episode. There will be only little of me on this episode and there will be a little bit more Laura. I'm going to give the camera to Laura because the girl's going for the night dive tonight. And there haven't been macro diving, on my log for a pretty long time. And that's why I will give a try, another try to this one. So, a little bit noisy. So there's Anna, Laura and Tonya going for the night dive. I'm not really sure where they are going. They're going kind of in Amed, Melasti area. And I have no idea what they expect to see, but I think it can be interesting. I've been posting already macro videos on my vlog. It didn't get that views as some other videos from, for example, from Chandidasa or other places where it's these beautiful corals and other stuff. It seems that people don't like, or they are not ready really for the macro. That's only small group of the people who like macro. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.